Robotic Duct Cleaning. Airside Balancing and Performance Testing. Animations and Graphics by Arvind Avan. Subject Matter Expert, Trainer, and Content Writer. 3. Mold and Bacteria. Moisture can build up in air conditioning ducts, providing a perfect breeding ground for mold and bacteria. This can lead to unpleasant odors, and can also be a health hazard for people who are sensitive to these substances. 4. Insects and rodents. Insects and rodents can also find their way into air conditioning ducts, particularly if there are gaps or cracks in the ductwork. This can introduce unpleasant odors and can also be a health hazard. 5. Chemicals and pollutants. Chemicals and pollutants from cleaning products, personal care products, and other sources. This can lead to poor air quality and may also be a health hazard. Regular cleaning of the air conditioning ducts will prevent the buildup of these impurities, and can help to maintain a healthy indoor environment. Prevent excessive energy billing. Explore our 100% animated, 100% voiceover in English and Hindi, 100% industry aligned, 100% made in India, with creative graphics in 17 multimedia courses, in a wide range of HVAC topics and home appliances. No Google stuff. Contact us, world leaders in multimedia contents and trainings, on https://sbgblv.com, or mail to info@skolenberg.com.